How to fix your desktop files are not showing up or missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your File Explorer. So you can basically click on the taskbar to open it, or you can search for File Explorer in the Start menu, and then open it up and click on Desktop. And if you see items on your desktop, that means there is folders and files already existing, but they're not visible. And to display them back, you can simply go to the View tab here, and then check Hidden Items. So you can see the hidden items, and then go back to your desktop, right click, and then choose View, and make sure to check Show Desktop Icons. And this should show everything in your desktop that was hidden, including any previously hidden files that were not visible. And if you checked View Show Desktop Items and still nothing is showing up, you can go to Power and Restart to restart your system, and this should fix the issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.